Are you a garage owner? Running a garage can get complicated, managing job cards, payments, parts, and customers all at once. That's why we built Meri Garage, a smart garage management system that simplifies your workshop operations in just a few clicks. Go to the login page and register your garage. Step 1. Log in with your credentials. You're landed to an intuitive dashboard that shows all metrics for your garage operations. The dashboard shows total customers metrics on the left of the screen. Another metrics is shown as total inventory stocks, that is SKUs in your garage. The dashboard metrics shows running job cards, which means how many vehicles are getting repaired in your garage, whereas completed job cards refers to how many vehicles have been repaired. On the dashboard screen, we show here the graphical representation of expenses analytics and revenue analytics. On the side dashboard, there is a side panel that has all features like creating job cards, view history of job cards, expense management, inventory management, service reminders, reports. To create a job card with Meri Garage system, find and click on Create Job Card button on side panel. Step 1. Add customer with basic details and submit. Step 2. Add the vehicle against the customer by entering the registration number and other basic details for the vehicle. Click on Submit. Once customer and vehicle is added, timestamp is created for the vehicle entering the garage. Click on Create Job Card against the vehicle and your job card is open. Once your job card is open, select the type of job card, that is whether vehicle has come for service, is it an accident case or a simple repair. Write voice of customer, which highlights and marks issues that vehicle owner raises for their vehicle. Enter other basic details of the vehicle like insurance, images, odometer reading or fuel meter reading for records. Your job card is open and you can add spare parts, that is automatically fetched from your inventory, which you have managed in the inventory section. In case you do not have part in the inventory, you can directly insert the part also by clicking on Add Inventory. Add spare parts, labor charges or any service packages in your system that you require for your job card or job card estimation. You can also add discounts for your services or parts. All values like HSN codes, taxes are automatically fetched from the inventory section. Once you have selected for all parts services, you can click on Submit the job card and your job card is created. Your job card is created. You can view your job card, edit it or delete it. The job card status is shown as pending, which means you need to get approval for this. There is an option for you to get the approval of this job card from your customer. You can get approval for this job card using an email or WhatsApp. In case you don't want approval from the customer, there is an option for self-approve also. Once you self-approve, your job card status will be changed from pending to approved. You click on Start Job to allow working for that vehicle. The status on your dashboard changes to working. After the work is completed, you click on Mark Done to complete the task and your job card is completed. Your final invoice is generated. You can view your invoice. A complete professional invoice is created for your garage having all details. There is an option to print it, download it, or you can share the invoice to your customer through a link as well. Now coming to inventory management. On the side panel, click on Inventory option from side panel. It gives you option to upload your complete inventory if you have an Excel file that you maintain for your spares. You can add each product individually using the Add Product button and filling the basic details. You also have the option to add your mechanics with their details to keep their records in place. You can use this data when filing expenses for your garage in Expense Management module. You can add service packages on your system which will be fetched directly on your job card with their prices. You can add your vendors to keep their records and details in place, which will also be used directly in expense management module. Then we have expense management module wherein you can select the type of expenses, that is salaries, spare procurements, utilities or miscellaneous. For spare procurements, you can record your expense with the name of the vendor that is automatically fetched. For salaries, you can find the mechanic and record the name of mechanic directly fetched through the system. For utility expenses, you can mark the type of expenses and record. For other expenses or sublet expenses, you can record all your expenses. All your expenses are recorded in the View Expenses section. There is a filter to select the type of expenses. There is a calendar which helps you to segregate and know your expenses in the defined period. We have Customer Engagement module that helps you to send reminders for your customer retention or repeat customers. Our system allows you to send service reminders and insurance reminders through email and WhatsApp. Our system automatically segregates and lists only those customers whose service due date or insurance expiry date is less than 30 days, which means that at any time when you visit this panel, you are able to see only those customers who have service or insurance due in this month. Also, we have a dedicated report section in which you can view or download your complete expense or revenue reports on month-to-month basis, or you can select a definite period from the calendar. Also, graphical representation of each metrics is shown. We also have complete report section in which you are able to see the compiled data of your expenses and revenue. Also, the system shows your profit or loss on the basis of the calendar. You can view or download the report to analyze all your metrics. So are you ready to take your garage to the next level? Subscribe to Meri Garage today and start your journey toward a smarter, more efficient workspace. Digitalize your garage with us, because running your business shouldn't be harder than fixing a car.